Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a transparent shape in Canva. This is a simple adjustment that makes a big difference when you're designing thumbnails, presentations, social posts, or any layout where you want text to stand out without blocking the background. Transparent shapes are perfect for creating designs with depth and visual interest, especially when you want to highlight text or other important elements without completely obscuring what's behind them. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to soften a shape so it blends perfectly with your design, giving it a polished, professional look. Start by opening your project in Canva and make sure the design you want to work on is visible on your canvas. If you're working on a new design, feel free to start with a blank canvas or use one of Canva's pre-made templates. Once you have your project open, click once on the shape you want to make transparent. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline and handles around it. This can be any shape you've already added, like a rectangle, circle, or a decorative element. Selecting it first is important because the transparency control only applies to the object that's highlighted. If you have multiple shapes or elements, this ensures you're working on the right one. With the shape selected, look to the top toolbar. You'll see an icon that looks like a small checkerboard pattern. That's the transparency control. This icon is your gateway to making your shape see-through, and it's one of the most useful tools for creating subtle visual effects. Go ahead and click it to open the transparency slider. This slider controls how see-through your shape is, and you'll get a live preview as you adjust it, making it easy to fine-tune exactly how much transparency you want. To make the shape more transparent, simply drag the slider to the left. As you move it, the shape will become lighter, and the content behind it will start to show through. If your shape sits over a photo or a colorful background, you'll notice the image beneath becoming more visible. This is a great way to create designs that allow the background to subtly shine through without being too overpowering. Keep dragging the slider to the left until you reach the look you want. You can adjust the transparency until it feels right for your design. If you go too far and the shape seems to disappear, don't worry. Just drag the slider back to the right to bring opacity back up to a more solid level. Many designs look great with the transparency somewhere in the middle, but it really depends on your background and color choices. Take a moment to glance at your entire layout while you adjust. A slightly transparent shape can help text pop without feeling heavy, especially if you're using strong brand colors or busy backgrounds. For example, if you're working on a Shopify product page, a transparent shape behind your product name or price can make it easier to read, while still allowing the background image to complement your design. If your text sits on top of the shape, you might find that a softer transparency makes the text easier to read while still letting your background set the mood. This can improve your design's readability and overall aesthetic without sacrificing any visual appeal. Once you're happy with how it looks, you're done. That's all it takes. Select your shape, click the checkerboard transparency icon in the top toolbar, and drag the slider to the left until you're satisfied. This quick tweak adds polish and depth to your designs and helps you guide attention exactly where you want it. Transparency is a powerful design tool that can elevate your layouts, making them look more sophisticated and balanced. Try it on different shapes and colors to see what works best for your style. Whether you're working on social media posts, Shopify store designs, or marketing materials, adding a bit of transparency is a simple but effective way to enhance your work. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the most out of Canva in your design process. Don't forget to experiment with different levels of transparency to find what suits your brand, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful design tips. Happy designing!